皆さん、いらっしゃいませ。今は2番セグメントが日本語を勉強します。はい、皆さん、ありがとうございます。よし。すみません、皆さん。今は英語を話します。はい、皆さん、ありがとうございます。よし。Welcome everybody for another round of studies. Continuing on with casual form verbs, we got 3 irregular verbs, and then we're going to be jumping into the next the next set of verbs on page 169 of the Genkies. That's right. We're back in the Genkies, but we're continuing through the Genkies, covering casual form verbs. All right. So, let us start. 皆さん、勉強しましょう. All right. Here we go. Okay. Our first word today will be denwa suru. Denwa suru, to call. Okay. To call. Okay. All right. Denwa shinai. Denwa shinai. Denwa shita. And denwa shinakata. There we go. Shinakata. Let's straighten that out a bit. There we go. So we'll have a moving screen. There we are. Perfect. Now we don't have to worry about it moving all over the place. Okay, so denwa suru, denwa shinai, denwa shita, denwa shinakata. Okay, next is zurette kuru. So since this is kuru, I assume it has to be konai. This is to bring a person. So to zurette kuru. To bring person. Zurette kuru. Zurette kuru. So, since this is ku, I would assume it would be konai. So, zurette konai. Zurette ka. Kota? I might have to check this one out. Because I know I should have konai right. Zurette tsurete, konakata, konakata. Alright, so let's check in on Jisho. Okay. Let's check in on Jisho and see if this is correct. So this is surete kuru. Okay, surete kuru. It does not. Doesn't give me any inflections here. Alright. So let's double check over here the whole short form list. Yep, I was correct. It is konai. Good. I was correct. It was konai. But isn't it but wouldn't it, let's see, if it's konai, then it's kota, correct? Instead of because it's not telling me here in the Genki's here. If this is if I go kota and konata is pretty obvious, konakata, but I'm not getting the kota part. So let's see here. Let me check my reference up here. No, I think I got it. Alright. Because it's an irregular verb, so I think maybe I have it correct. Alright. Alright, we'll take a chance on that. Okay. Next one is mottekuru. 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 This is to bring a thing. To bring a thing. Mottekuru. Mottekonai. Mottekonai. Motte kota. てこなかった。I might be wrong with these two regular verbs for konai. Let me know in the comment section. Okay. On to page 169, our last two. Utau. To sing. Utau. Oh. Utau. To sing. Utau. So, being that this is an U verb, utanai. There we go. Utanai. Oh, utashanai. No. Oh, utawanai. Yes, it's a new verb. Uanai. Utawanai. There we go. Uta wa Utawatta. Utawa. Utawa. Utata. Utata. There we go. Utata. Utawa nakata. Utawa nakata. There we go. And last but not least, kaburu. To put on a hat. Kaburu. Kaburu. To put on a hat. Kaburu. Okay. Let's see. Kabura. Kaburanai. Kaburanai. No. Kaburanai. Okay. Kaburata. Oh, no, that's says kubu. かぶらた。かぶらなかった。There we go. All right. Okay, that's it. Here's our verbs for the week. 電話する。電話しない。電話した。電話しなかった。Then we have ずるってくる。ずるってこない。Hopefully this is correct. Put a question mark there. ずるってこった。I think it's かった。I have a feeling it's かった。ずるってこなかった。するてくる to bring a person. 持ってくる to bring a thing. 持ってこない。持ってこった question mark. Hopefully. Maybe it's かった。And 持ってこなかった。Then 歌 to sing. 歌わない。歌った。And 歌わなかった。And finally, かぶる to put on a hat. かぶらない。かぶらった。And かぶらなかった。Alright, so that's it. That is our verbs for the week. And that's for the lessons for today. 皆さん、どうぞコメント、ライク、サブスクライブをください。ありがとうございます。よし。はい、皆さん、来週までお疲れ様でした。Good night. Buenas noches. おやすみなさい。